Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. I'm over in Saltdean and a really sunny winter's day and really excited to show you this quite large building that looks a lot smaller than it is. So this is a really interesting space that we had and the sun's shining on it, so I'm going to try and duck down so you get to see this, but it's actually a 4.7 by 3.1 garden room. We've based it on our J studio and it looks very tiny, I know, but actually it goes around a corner here. We've actually cut around the roof canopy. You may be able to see that on the wall. So inside of the room goes all the way down on and utilises that space. So a really unique design, worked perfectly. We ended up with a single window here against the garage, and you imagine that carries on going back with the cement board cladding. You can't get to any of those three walls, but it is used with that cement board, so zero maintenance and fire rated. It's a kids games room. His Christmas presents in the corner. I'll show you that in a moment, but basically we've got a nice sofa in here, table, pool table and snooker table, no TV on the wall, that is banned, and this fantastic game. I've just been playing with the client, actually having a little bit of a competition with a couple of them. So absolutely brilliant space. So used as a kid's den, as a boy's den, but obviously it can evolve over the years to be so many different things. So with the standard J, so this is one of our pre-designs, so a building that actually is a standard size. We've just customised it to make this work. Lovely anthracite cladding. We went for double half windows on the top there. Sorry, the sun's in the way, so that might not. There you go, you get it there. So we've gone for double side windows there to get a lot of light in. So everywhere we could, we've got the light, got the nice MTX cladding on the side. We've actually got an up-down light there as well, as you can see that, and a single UPVC door. So there you go. It's a really lovely 4.7 by 3.1 J studio that Rio here is loving. Where is he? Here he is. Here we are. He's absolutely loving it. It's part of the family here, and we're just really enjoying using that space all year round. Christmas Day was spent in it playing arcade games, and just something we're really proud of to have been to help this client. So thanks for watching and subscribing to what we do. Please share this project. If you've got a really complicated space, not sure how you can use it, I'm sure we can help in one way or another. Give Rob a call. Thank you for watching.